Hi boys and girls, today we're going to solve some more problems using our beginning, middle, and end work mat. So the first problem we're going to solve is about penguins. So at the zoo, Hannah saw 8 penguins on a rock and 3 more in the water. How many penguins did Hannah see? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solved it. So let's think about this. What is happening in this story? We know that Hannah saw some penguins first on a rock, and then she saw some more in the water. So what is it that they're wanting to find out? We want to know how many penguins did Hannah see. So how many did she see in the beginning? That's right, she saw 8. Can we put 8 penguins at the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, we know that she saw these on the rock. So let's write that. These she saw on the rock. The more we label our work, the easier it is to even go back and kind of check it and to make sure that we're on track. So we know that she saw 3 more next. That's what's happening next in our story. So let's add 3 more. And let's label this one. Where did she see these? That's right, she saw these in the water. Now, how many did she see in all? We know that she saw 8 on the rock, and she saw 3 more. And so let's count these. So we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can count 3 more. 9, 10, 11. So if we have 8 and 3 more, we have 11. So if we had 8, let's count out 8. 6, 7, 8, and let's add 3 more. 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 penguins. So our equation is 8, and we added 3 more and got 11. Great job. Let's do another one. Next we have Jake had some toy cars, and he bought some more toy cars at the store. Now he has even more toy cars. How many toy cars did Jake buy at the store? So let's read this again with our numbers. Jake had 7 toy cars. He bought some more toy cars at the store. Now Jake has 14 new toy cars. So what's happening in the beginning? We know that he bought some toy cars. But then he bought some more at the store. Do we know how many he bought at the store? No, we don't know. So what we are wondering is how many he bought. What's happening here in the middle? How many did he buy at the store? So we don't know how many he bought at the store. But we know that at the beginning, he bought 7 toy cars. Can you help me count out 7 toy cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he has 7 that he bought. And then he went, this is how many he already had. And then he went to the store and bought some more. But we don't know how many. But now how many does he have? He has 14. Can you help me count 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, he has a lot of toy cars, doesn't he? So it wants to know, how many toy cars did Jake buy at the store? So let's think. If he bought 7, or he already had 7, and then he bought some more at the store, but he ended up with 14. So let's think of an equation. So we know that 7 and whatever he bought at the store, we know he now has 14 cars. So, I also can think about it is if he had 14, oh, let me get the eraser here so that can be nice and neat. If he has 14 cars at the end, and in the beginning, if he had 7, how many would he have had at the store? So we can do that both ways. So I'm thinking of this number that should go here, and because I know my doubles really well, I know what this number is. Are you thinking that you know what this number is? So let's add these cars. So we have 7, and we're going to add up until we get to 14. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many did he buy at the store? That's right, he bought 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I knew this because 7 and 7 is a double. That equals 14. Okay, let's do another one. This one's going to be fun. So Juan planted some seeds in the garden. His mom planted more seeds in the garden. They planted a total of some more seeds in the garden. How many seeds did Juan plant? So what's happening in the beginning? Juan planted seeds. So these would be the seeds that Juan planted. And then what else is happening? Then his mom planted. And they planted seeds. And Juan planted seeds. So in the end, these were the total seeds, right? These are all of the seeds, the total seeds planted. So if I really think about what's happening in the story, it can help me think about what's the beginning, middle, and end. So now let's read it with some numbers and see if we can figure out what's the beginning. Juan planted some seeds in the garden. So there are no numbers there. It doesn't tell us. It just said some. His mom planted 10 more seeds in the garden. So how many seeds did Mom plant? 10. They planted a total of 20 seeds in the garden. How many seeds did Juan plant? Well, so we don't know how many Juan planted. That's what we need to know. That was the first thing that happened, wasn't it? That was our beginning. So his mom planted 10 more seeds. So let's count 10 seeds for Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Mom planted 10 seeds. Now, how many seeds did they have in the garden? They planted a total of 20 seeds. Can you help me count 20 seeds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they planted 20 seeds together. So let's think about our equation. So we know Juan planted some seeds, and then we know that Mom planted some, and the total was 20. So something plus 10 equals 20. And then also, if we know we have a total of 20, and I take away the ones that Mom planted, if I subtract them, I know that I'm going to be left with whatever Juan planted. So if I have 20 and I take away 10, let's think. I have groups of rows of 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. So if I take away 10 of those, how many am I left with? That's right, 10. And I know easily it's a double that 10 plus 10 equals 20. So let's add the 10 that Juan planted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the beginning, Juan planted some seeds. He planted 10 seeds. And then Mom planted 10 more seeds, and they had a total of 20 seeds. Boys and girls, thank you for all your help today. The beginning, middle, and end work mat can really help you think about what's happening in the story. And when you draw it and illustrate it, it also helps you to solve it and to helping to write the equations and thinking about what's going on in the story. Great job today.